Hello student, this is class 9th science chapter 8 motion and part 2. In this video we will discuss physical quantities. The first topic is physical quantity. It is a physical property of material that can be measured. It has two types. First topic is physical quantities. It is a physical property of material that can be measured. Suppose 5 kg, 5 kilogram, 5 meter, 6 feet, 8 centimeter. These are physical quantities because it can be measured. It can be measured. First is scalar quantity. It is a physical quantity having only magnitude, not direction. For example, speed, distance. Next is scalar quantity. It is a physical quantity having only magnitude, not direction. Having only magnitude. Magnitude means it is a value. Magnitude means a fixed value. Suppose it is a 5 gram. It is a fixed value. It is magnitude. 6 kg, 5 meter, 4 feet. These are magnitude. It has only magnitude, not direction. It is called scalar quantity. Vector quantity. It is a physical quantity having both magnitude as well as direction. For example, velocity, acceleration, force, momentum and displacement are vector quantity. Next is vector quantity. Physical quantity having both magnitude as well as direction. For example, having magnitude as well as direction. For example, force is 4 Newton east. 4 Newton is a magnitude. And east is a direct. Next is velocity. Suppose the velocity is a 4 kilometer per hour west. In this 4 kilometer per hour is a magnitude and west is a direction. The next topic is physical quantities of motion. First is distance, second is displacement, third is speed, fourth velocity, fifth uniform or non-uniform motion, sixth acceleration, seventh graphs, eighth equations of motion. First topic is distance. The actual path length traveled by an object is called distance. First, it is a scalar quantity. Second, it always positive and cannot be zero. First, it is a scalar quantity. It always positive and cannot be zero. Its SI unit is meter. Meter means M. The topic is distance. The distance is the actual path length traveled by an object is called distance. suppose a object P. Suppose a object P gain a distance and reach in a point D. Reach in a point D. So the total distance of P is equal to 100 meter. Point A to point D is equal to 100 meter. Suppose in a case 2, a object P gain a distance from point A to D and come back into point C. So the total distance of P is equal to A to D is equal to 100 meter and come back into point C. D to C distance is equal to 40 meter. So object P gain a distance overall 100 plus 40 is equal to 140 meter.